What up, and welcome to the channel. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Hope you're having an amazing one. In today's video, you know it's spooky season right now. It's October, and I figured I'm really not in the spirit. I don't have costumes, I don't have any decorations or anything, so I figured, how about trying to get in the spirit by trying to do some acrylic paint pouring on some canvases right over here. I got 4 different canvases. Got some Halloween colors right here, different things. I watched a couple videos on YouTube, so you know I know a couple thing or two about acrylic point parent. Acrylic point. I can't even say that. Acrylic paint pouring. There we go. Anyways, I figured I don't have any costumes, so the other day you might have noticed I look a little bit different in the video. I cut my own hair. That's right. For Halloween, I'm just myself, but with less hair. Me with a haircut that I did for myself. There we go. That's what I'm from Halloween. But anyways, before we get started on that, I just want to let y'all know that the giveaway is still going on for the rest of the month. Check out the link to the description and all that. Link to the video and all that cool stuff over there. But without further ado, let's get started on this spooky stuff right away. Alrighty, so right here we got these 4 6" by 6" canvases. I wanted to, try to make different combinations and stuff. So these are the Deco Art Fluid Art ready to pour acrylic paints. No need to mix anything together. It's all ready to go, so that's cool. And I got various little things to mix, like lemonade mixers and from protein shakes. And gloves are optional, honestly, unless you're Michael Jackson and only want to wear one on your left hand. And what about the drip? What about that drip, man? Well, here I got this tote, and then I got some dowels. And just spread them up on top and try to just make sure that they don't roll around. But if you really want to be all technical, you can drill holes in the tote to make sure that they stay in place. But right here, this works perfectly fine. Now over here, I'm gonna lay down these canvases ready to go. And this part, I don't really think it was necessary, but I added a layer of gesso, just because I thought it would make the acrylic paint run a little bit smoother. I don't really know. I haven't used these before or have anything to compare them to anything else. Let me know in the comment section below if this is the best option for ready to go fluid paint, or should you mix your own. I have no idea. I'm still learning. That's the whole experience with this. So right here I got this little container thingy, the mixer thing that I got from one of my protein shake things, and I just decided I'm gonna use for one of my mixers for these paints. And honestly, guys, sometimes you just don't know what the heck to do, and I was a little stingy with the paint on this first one. And to be honest, y'all, I'm just gonna let you guys know right off the bat, I didn't really like this first one. But the thing is, really, with acrylic pouring paint, man, why can't I say that? Acrylic paint pouring, it's really just like free-for-all. You can just do whatever. As you can see here, I was just like, oh man, well, I gotta fill up this space and stuff, and I was just kind of moving it around, just trying to create something interesting looking. It was a little bit trippy, but honestly, y'all, this was probably my least favorite. And I hate to break it to you, but if this one is your favorite, I actually at the end erased this one. That's the beauty about these paints, is that as long as they're still wet, you can just grab a paper towel or a wet paper towel or a wet towel, anything, whatever that you can use to wipe off the paint, and it worked perfectly fine, as you'll see towards the end of this video. As you can see here, I'm just trying to get the paint to move, create interesting different patterns, and I don't know, it came out pretty cool. I just didn't really like how the sides weren't filled. That's kind of like what broke the deal of me not keeping them, but maybe next time if I try to do something similar. Alright, this one I actually had it all together. I did a technique where you just grab 2 different little jars or whatever and pour them side by side, and then you kind of just move them around and try to get them to however you think they look coolest. As you can see right here, it's very liquidy. It was pretty cool. It's kind of fun to move it around. I still need to get down, like, trying to calculate how much paint I'm gonna need to fill up each canvas. The containers for each paint, they say they fill up a 12" by 12" canvas. So there's probably some math that I gotta do here, considering these are 6 by 6, so I probably need half a bottle to fill up one of these. But considering you gotta use multiple bottles to create interesting colors and cool little patterns and stuff, you might need multiple bottles, of course. But here's this one. I definitely like this one way better. This one, I actually got all the sides to cover up, and it came out cool as hell. You can see all these little dots form too. Cool little waves. Cool stuff right there. I did the same technique for this one, but I kind of just moved everything around towards the end. Kind of just try to sprinkle little interesting things around, make it look unique. Look at that. Gotta be fast with it. You might be wondering, why are you not wearing the gloves that you had earlier? Well, they freaking sucked and they didn't even do anything, so I just threw them away, and I figured, you know what? I don't even care if I get a little bit down and dirty. Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes to be an artist, you gotta get down and dirty, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this one came out super cool too. I really like how this one came out. These kind of look like a cool marble, like a cool marble texture. Alright, and this last one I did a different technique where you just mix up your paints, put them in a jar or some sort of container, maybe even a cup. You just lay it down flat, let it settle, and then whoop, 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 whoop. As you can see, you just lift it and just kind of try to get it into the shape, fill up all the corners and stuff, the sides and stuff. And bada boom, bada bang, look at that. And obviously I mixed these colors different ways and just different amounts every single one. That's why they all look different colors. And like I said, I erased the first one right here. I just grabbed the little towel that I had laying in the kitchen, and I just got it, put some water in it, and then just wiped off the canvas clean because it was still good. Even after it was like 20 minutes, it was still good. But did the old cup trick again for this one. You can see this one came out cool as hell, and it was definitely better than the first design that was on this. But if you like the first one better, let me know in the comment section below, and maybe I'll do something similar to what I did. But look at that, absolutely beautiful. And then this is the last step. Now this paint already is pretty shiny once it's dried, but I figured I'm gonna add some gloss because I just like super shiny ass canvases, and these came out absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comment section below which one y'all like. But I'm about to wrap this up and go back to me in the studio and wrap this video up for y'all folks. Yeah, let's do that. I forgot how long this part of the video is, this little time lapse right here. Alrighty y'all, that about wraps up this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I don't know about you guys, but this was so much fun to do. And at first it was super intimidating because for me, anytime I do anything new, especially like trying to draw something new or a new kind of way to create, paint or whatever, it's always intimidating, and I took way too long to actually get these done. But you know, once I actually did it, you know, it's pretty quick because, you know, you gotta be quick with it so you can get like the cool designs and stuff that you want. But that's what I like about like this kind of art, like flow art. It's like in the moment kind of thing, if that makes sense. Also like art where people just like throw paint at canvases and stuff. There's something about that kind of art that I really like. And that's why I admire this kind of art. And I do plan to do more in the future, so stay tuned for that. But before I wrap up this video, I want to let y'all know that these 4 canvases right here are going to be on sale on my website for 48 hours at one certain price for all 4 of them. This is going to be something I'm going to do every year in October. I'm going to call it Flowtober Collection 1 2021 edition. And they're all going to be one certain price for 48 hours, so somebody can get them for all of them for one price. And then after the 48 hours runs out, they're all going to be different prices, and it's going to be more expensive to buy them individually. So check that out in the link below. Also the website for all the stuff that I sell. And yeah, but anyways, I decided to actually give all of these a name, because you gotta name your paintings once you make a series, you know. So this first one right here, I decided to call this one Intruder. You might be wondering why, because some paint from this one actually got onto here. And I was like, this one's intruding here, so this one's Intruders. Intruders or Intruder, I'm not sure yet. I'll have it up on the website once it's up. This one reminds me of like Yu-Gi-Oh! For some reason, like the back of a Yu-Gi-Oh! Card, so I'm gonna call this one Magic Realm. And then this one I'm calling Orange of Paradise, based off a flower or something in nature called Bird of Paradise, but since it's orange, I decided to go Orange of Paradise. And then this one, Orange Nebula, because that's basically what it looks like to me. So that's going to be all 4 of the canvases for this year's series. I'm going to do one every year, like I said. So this is going to be the first one. This is going to be some limited edition shit right here, that's for sure. But let's see. I think my favorite one, honestly, is going to be this one. It just looks so cool. I don't know, an orange space, bro. That's cool as hell. But anyways, let me know which one you guys like the best in the comments section below. Appreciate y'all stopping by. If you guys made it this far in the video, comment Mojo Flojo in the comment section down below. Then I know you a trill OG. But anyways, thank you for stopping by. Keep creating, keep it trilling. I'm definitely gonna upload another spooky Halloween season video this month, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe, check out the links below. Giveaway going on till November 5th. Peace and love. Keep creating. I'm out. Peace, love, skeet, and cheese. With the squad, nod your head to this. If you're feeling this, lines of ambiguity, do you feel the unity and continuity beautifully passing by as I look